So hello students, now we'll discuss about another type of electroscope, your gold leaf electroscope. Okay, in the earlier one we discussed about fifth bulb electroscope. So that was only used to detect the presence of charge of a body, right? So here in case of gold leaf electroscope, this one can help us to find the presence of charge as well as the type of charge. Okay, so here we'll discuss about that one in detail. Now first come to the structure. So the gold leaf electroscope looks like this one in simple diagrammatic way. Okay, this is a glass case or a glass jar, right? A cap or a metallic cap, insulation, that may be your wood or rubber or anything, and this is a copper conductor. Okay, right from this position to this one. Okay, copper conductor, and here is a pair of gold leaf. Okay, this gold leaf or its movement or its deviation tells us the nature of charge. Okay, so this is all about your structure. Now come to when the gold leaf electroscope is uncharged. Okay, we can charge it also. Later on we'll discuss that part. When the electroscope is uncharged, what happens? Both the gold leaf are in collapsed state. Collapsed means just think like this. Okay, when there will be charge, how will it happen? They will move like this. Okay, or when in uncharged, what happens? The gold leaf, both the leaves are in collapse like this. If we are bringing any object or any charge object towards the cap, this cap, okay, तो क्या होगा? They will diverge, they will move away from each other. Okay, so this is the structure. Now, how can we detect the presence of charge? Okay, let there is any charge object. Okay, any charge, that may be a positive charge or negative charge, means we don't know which type of charge the object contain, but let it be any charge one. So look, if you will bring any charge object towards the cap of the electroscope, then what will happen? The charge will transfer to the cap, and from the cap the charge will go through the copper wire to the gold leaf. Okay, so this is negative charge, or the object is negatively charged object. So here, when this object is brought close to it, what will happen? The charge from the object will be transferred to the cap. Okay, so that negative charge will come to the gold leaf, and obviously both the gold leaf will get the same charge. Getting my point? Both the gold leaf will get the same charge or same negative charge from the object. So what will happen? You know very well that opposite charge attract each other and like charge repel each other. So both the gold leaf are getting what? Negative charge, means they will repel each other. So both the gold leaf will move away from each other. Okay, so something will happen in case of positive charge. Okay, the positive charge will come towards the what? Gold leaf. Yes or no? And finally both the gold leaf will acquire the same type of charge. Okay, if they are getting same charge, they will repel each other. Okay, so one more thing here I would like to tell you that charge is being transferred. Remember, charge is being transferred from one object to another object, and this may happen in two ways. Okay, one is your conduction and induction. Okay, देखो, or you can say electrostatic induction. Okay, so conduction means what? If let the chalk is charged, the duster, and the charge is supposed to transfer to the duster, then what will happen? If the chalk is in contact with the duster and the charge is being transferred, then this is what? This process is called conduction, because charge is being conducted. And if here is your object and charge is being transferred from another object without touching, just being close to it, in that case the process is known as electrostatic induction. Okay, so now from this on you can detect the presence of charge using a gold leaf electroscope, right? So next we will discuss about how can we detect the type of charge in an object using your gold leaf electroscope. Hello everyone. So now we will start discuss about what? Detecting the type of charge by an electroscope. Okay. So how do the electroscope help us to detect the type of charge? Okay. Previously we discussed about what? How an electroscope is helpful to detect the presence of charge, not type of charge. Okay. Now we will discuss about what the presence of type of charge. Okay. Means किस type का charge, whether the charge is positive or negative, that we will discuss now. Okay. So earlier we discussed about the electroscope can be of two types of charge. Yeah, we can make the uncharged electroscope charged by two ways. Okay, that means your positively charged electroscope or maybe negatively charged electroscope. Okay, so we know very well when a charged object should be brought close to the cap of the electroscope will be positively charged. Okay, and they are both the body will be what? Separated from each other. Something happens in case of negatively charged electroscope also. When a negatively charged object will be brought close to the cap, then what will happen? The negative charge will be accumulated on the gold leaf. Okay, then what will happen? Both the gold leaf will be what? Divert from each other. Now, using this positively charged electroscope and negatively charged electroscope, we can detect the type of charge present in any body. Okay. So let first come to this one. Let now I am bringing up what? Positively charged object towards the positively charged electroscope. What will happen? More number of positive charge will be accumulated towards the gold leaf, right? And the diversion between the gold leaf will increase. Whatever the diversion is initially, it will increase when what? A positive charge is brought close to it. Means let's conclude this in a reverse way. We don't know whatever the charge of the object is. Okay, yet we don't know this. The electroscope is positively charged. We know this one, and now we brought any object close to it. Then we observe that the gold leaf got diversion. Okay, more. Then what will happen? When is this possible? Listen, two positively charged objects are already separated from each other. The separation is increasing or the repulsion is increasing. When this repulsion will increase, what are the possible chances? Only one thing is that whatever the amount of positive charge both of the gold leaf have, that will be more. Okay, and how that will be more? that will be more because they are getting some more positive charge. And from where they are getting? From the object that is brought close to it, right? Okay, this is the only source of charge from where the gold leaf are getting. Okay, so if such thing happens, then the object is positively charged. Mark my point. In a gold leaf, which is initially positively charged, okay, a charged object is brought close to it, and if the divergence between the gold leaf increases, then the object is positively charged. Okay. Now let this object be what? Negatively charged. What will happen? The object has negatively charged and the what? Positively charged will move towards the negative charge. Okay, and ultimately what? From the gold leaf the charge will move. Yes or no? Ultimately from the gold leaf only the positive charge will move there. Okay, or the negative charge will come to this side. Then definitely some of the positive charge will be neutralized. Okay, like from this we are getting our 10 negative charge. Okay, from the object the gold leaves are getting 10 negative charge. Then 10 of positive charge will be neutralized or not? Yes, they will be neutralized. Okay, if they are getting neutralized, then definitely the amount of positive charge is reducing. Yes or no? Yes. If the negative charge is coming and neutralizing the positive charge, then what happens? The amount of the positive charge will decrease, which will result in what? Collapsing the gold leaves. Yes or no? This will result in collapsing the gold leaf. Okay. So let's come to this reverse point. These are diverged from each other. They are coming closer. When it is possible, only if the positive charge or the amount of positive charge from both the gold leaf will decrease. Yes or no? If that is decreasing, then they are getting some negative charge, or the positive charge is being attracted. It is possible only if the object is negatively charged. Okay, so look at it. Here is the conclusion. If the gold leaf diverges more, the body is positively charged. If the gold leaf collapses, the object is negatively charged. Remember this. If collapsing, negatively charged. If diverging more, positively charged. Okay. In case of positively charged electroscope. Now come to this part. Negatively charged electroscope. It is negatively charged electroscope. Now I am bringing a positive object towards it. What happens? The accumulation of charge will take place, and what? The amount of negative charge will decrease. Okay, and they will collapse. Okay, same thing. Whatever we discussed here, exactly in the same way. Just only difference is positive, negative. Okay. So again, if I am bringing a negatively charged object towards this, what will happen? The accumulation of negative charge will increase on the gold leaf, and if the magnitude of negative charge from both the gold leaf is increasing, then their diversion will be what? More. They will diverge more. So here also, in case of negatively charged gold leaf, what happens? If diversion is more, then the object is negatively charged. If the gold leaf collapses, the object is positively charged. So look at here. Conclude that in case of positively charged electroscope, if the gold leaf diverges, the object is positive. If in case of negative charge electroscope, if the leaf diverges, object is negative. Okay. So what we can conclude here, that whatever the charge of the electroscope is, okay, if positive or negative, if the gold leaf diverges, the object is of that type of charge. Okay, in case of positive, positively charged; in case of negative, negatively charged. If for the gold leaf collapse, in case of positively charged, the object is negatively charged. In case of negative charge, the object is of positive charge. Okay, I hope all of you got it.